Alright guys, welcome to another Gen Graphics tutorial. So I got a request on my DM asking how you can create a YouTube channel, and we'll be doing that together just right away. Okay, so I'll be going to my your YouTube app. Alright, so you're just going to click on your YouTube app and wait for it to load. Now once it load, this is actually my YouTube channel, you can see, with my logo, but I'm going to change, okay, to another email that I've not used to register a YouTube channel. I'll click on that icon that shows my logo that is written you. Okay, now you can see it has brought me straight to my channel, but I don't want to work with this. This is my channel. This is my channel, Giant Graphics Co. Okay, all right, so I'm going to click on switch account. Okay, look at it here. I'm going to just click on this switch account, and it will take me to all the accounts that's all the Google account that is on my phone will be appearing right away. And I'll be choosing an account that doesn't have a YouTube channel so that you see how to create one yourself. Okay, you can see this is the current one that I'm using. So I'm going to go to the one without. Now you can see this particular one doesn't have a channel. I'm going to click on it. Now once it has switched to the new one, I'm going to click on the icon here, this place that shows you, this last icon here. Okay, once I click on it, you see now it's just taking me straight to create a channel. You can see it here, create a channel, and I'm going to click just that, and you can see it's asking me to change my picture or take a new one, name, handle. So I'm just going to change the name. That's my channel name. Let me see. Practice. Okay. Let me say tutorial. Then I'm done with the name. I'm going to click on save. Just look right up here. There is save there. Okay. So I'm going to just click on that. Then I'm going to change the handle to, okay, it has given me an handle at tutorial QX, but let me just change it to at tutorial root 2. Then I'll save it too, and I'm just going to click on create channel. That's the last thing to do. Create channel. Okay, I can see in a Jiffy my channel is worth created. Okay, you can see I've created a channel. I can manage the video. Remember, I just created this channel and there is no content in it. Okay, so to upload my videos to my channel, what do? I'll just click on this plus icon. Okay, this plus icon. Once you click on it, it's going to ask me if I want to upload shorts or I want to go live. Shorts are videos that is less than 1 minute. Upload the video, go live, and okay, you can see. So if I want to upload the video, I'm just going to click on upload the video, select the video file to upload, and don't worry, in the next video I'll be doing just that. I'll be showing you how to make this. That's how to upload videos to your YouTube channel. I hope this content is helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We love you so much. Thank you.